Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. Got me drinking. Look. Smoking. Look. Swearing. Look. So here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Yes. Look. We got a great one for you today. Bang! We're going to talk about NEO. Yeah. What'd you know about NEO, son? What you know about NEO, boy? Look at here, boy. What you know about NEO? Look. Well, NEO's coming. NEO3 previews its launch, and we're going to talk about the launch. Bye! Look. And then, all right, this is serious, though. The money stuff. Bittrex Chainalysis adoption. Bang. Now, we've talked about Chainalysis here before, last year and in Q1 this year. And now it's nice to see Bittrex, and we're going to get into the ramifications and what that all means with Bittrex. Bye! And then UBS, that's the big bank, one of the big banks over there in Europe, says that crypto interest has picked up. Says crypto interest picked up. All right, we'll just read the way it was written. Look! All right, and then we'll get the shout-outs and daily summary. Bye! Look! We're going to get, oh, wait. Bye. That's the bang there. Yes. Let's get to it, brothers. Let's get to it. Bye. Look. All right. Let's do a refresh. Oh, hey. Yes. Let's refresh and get on with this. Look. Oh, yeah. All right. We got 8,200. All right. So Bitcoin price. $8,265. And yesterday, Bitcoin was at 8,117. So we went up a whole about $150, whatever that is. Look. All right. Look. Top 10 day, brothers. Wow. Let me get these beverages. Look. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Bang. Top 10 of the day. Wait a second. Make sure. All right. Just wanted to make sure you could see everything. All right. Look, top 10 day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Stellar still holding on the number 10. Look. Market moves of the day. It's all green today, but slow green. Single digits green. I know motherfuckers got their paychecks yesterday. Go buy yourself some goods. Go fill up your warehouse. Bye. Don't let this market dip today. Not today. Sorry, my bad. This week. Don't let it pass by with a little BTDI. Buy the dip, idiot. Look. Oh, I saw fucking Ronkez out there. He was preaching on Twitter today. BTDF, motherfuckers. Who else? I saw Justin was preaching. V-Chain, motherfuckers. Yes, the brothers are out there preaching. Look. Better listen. That's my crew. That's the difference between my subscribers and other subscribers. Yeah, my subscribers out there killing you. Look. They're showing you the goods. Oh, yeah, Justin in his usual way. He broke down the power of V-Chain. Multiple onboardings. Lots of money. That's how it goes, brothers. Quantum proof, all this. Justin gave it to him. And a fucking Ronkez today. Yeah. What did he rock about? Oh, the overall macro of the market. He said, buy the dip, fuckers. He said BTDF. Yes. Really, it is BTDF. I say BTDI just because I'm trying to be nice, but... Look. All right, if you guys don't understand, fuck it. Look. You new people. Look. All right, look, guys. What do we do? All right, so look, single digits up, single digits down. I mean, there's nothing to think about. There's a single digit down just to make sure I'm not lying. Actually, they're not even really single digits down. They're just 0 point blah, 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 blahs. Let me get, oh, there's one. All right. Single is up, single is down, brothers. Oh, there's another one. All right. Look. All right. So look. Top 10 loser of the day, brothers. You see anything on here you like, you go get it. You know why? Because it's on sale. Yes. Whew. All right. Bye. All right. Oh, yes. In a good mood tonight, brothers. Look. Top 10 loser of the day, brothers. Bit Capital Vendor. Oh, I never heard of that one before. Bit Capital Vendor. Bitcoin, Electronium, Factum, Metaverse CTP, Bitcoin Diamond, NEM, Ox, ABC Coin, and Stasis Euro. Let's look at top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Who gained? Look. Top 10 gainers of the day, brothers. Zilliqa, Rift Token, Icon, Zcash, Theta, Ardor, Bytem, Beam, XMAX, and Zcoin. Yes. Let's look at the top 10. Let's look at the total market cap of the day, brothers. Look. We got 218.9 total market cap of the day. 218.9 billion. And yesterday we're at 214.5. So we've gone up $5.4 billion in market cap on the day. Let's look at total 24-hour volume on the day, brothers. Look. 53.4 on the day. Holy, all right. Oh my gosh. We have had some really, truly wild swings this fucking week. I will tell you that. Between the market caps and the volumes. Wow. Remember we had the 90, what was it? I read to you the other day. Well, I read it to you yesterday, but it was about the other day. Right? On September 25th, we had the 98.7 total volume of the day. Bang, right? Like, those are the kind of volumes I want to see every day, though. And that was on a downturn, though, so that's not good. But anyway, just the point being, though, all right, we're back down to regular stuff. But these volumes are just huge. All right. Well, in terms of their discrepancy from one day to another, right? One day it's 10 billion, the next day it's 100. Dag on, right? All right. So look, yesterday we're at 68.1 billion. Today we're at 53.4. So what is that? Shit, what is that? That's like a $15 billion drop in market volume on the day. All right, look. Oh, and what else though? But with only a my bad. All right. Sorry. So it's a $15 billion drop on the day, but actually a $4 billion increase in what do you call this? In market cap. So those few people that came here today, they bought, right? They were here buyers. So we had buyers today. All right, that's the way to say it. All right. Anyway, whatever, man. Like I told you, we don't give a fuck about price until these institutions come, man. Like this day-to-day stuff, we like to watch it, but in terms of your holdings in your warehouse, don't worry about that shit. But I know people want to know, and that's why I do this part of the show. Personally, I don't give a fuck. But it is valuable, to get a feel for the markets. All right, look, fuck. Let's move. Look, NEO Global Development launches NEO3 Preview 1 build. All right. NEO, what do they call NEO? NEO is what do they say about it? They say that it's the Ethereum killer. China's Ethereum killer. All right. I own NEO, in full disclosure. I'll tell you that. I don't know if it's going to be the killer or not, but look, we'll see. I bought that way early, so I just have it just to see what happens with it now. I don't even know what's going on with NEO anymore. So look, but I guess I'm about to know now because I'm about to read something. So look. In a recent press release, NEO Global Development, NGD, announced the release of NEO3 Preview 1 build. Preview 1 build. All right. So, though the official release of NEO3 is not until next year, the Preview 1 gives information about the architectural changes and some significant updates. All right. So, Eric Zhang, NEO founder, said, oh, okay. That's the name of the guy? All right. He said, through the NEO3 Preview 1 pilot, we've advanced forwards towards our goal of delivering large-scale commercial applications. Nice. Institutional commercial applications. That's what's needed. Something which I believe is of critical importance for achieving a smart economy as well as a next-gen internet. All right. So, moving forward, we aim to further accelerate NEO3's development to overcome current roadblocks and deliver unmatched stability throughout and an optimized developer experience. All right. So, Chinese plot fame Oh, yeah, that's why I'm reading this. Chinese blockchain platform Ontology and NEO are reportedly planning a partnership to create an interoperable protocol in a bid to spur development. So, Ontology and NEO are about to team up. And so, hold on, let me read. So, blah, 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 are reportedly planning a partnership to create an interoperable protocol in a bid to spur development of the next generation internet. This platform is expected to boost both companies. Yes. Generate some revenue for both companies. All right, and so that's really... I'm glad with this little upgrade thing, the Preview 1 build upgrade thing they got going on. But NEO is going to be with, Ontology. And let's see if these guys can pull a rabbit out of the hat. Right? Interoperable. We talked about interoperability. I told you guys I'm all about interoperability. That's why I like this Chainlink thing. It's interesting. You have a blockchain here, a blockchain there. Yeah, they got to talk to each other. And you know what I mean? Like if I want to send data from my smart contract to this blockchain over here that does something else, well, they have to be able to talk. They have to be able to transmit the data. Like I told you guys, I'm Microsoft certified. I have my MCP in Microsoft. I got it under Windows NT. I'm allowed to legally put a Microsoft logo on my business cards, right? Because I'm Microsoft certified. MCP means Microsoft Certified Professional. And I got certified under NT. And back in the days when I was doing my certification, that was the whole big deal was how do we make an Apple network talk with a Windows network, talk with the Linux network, talk with the Unix network. Like interoperability, they have to be able to exchange data. And so that's a huge thing to this whole crypto stuff, this whole blockchain stuff. Yeah, you have to be able to exchange the data. Your blockchain is one way, this blockchain is another. Yeah, well, how can we exchange data amongst each other? All right. So bye. Look. Big deal interoperability. And that's what NEO is going to try to help do. And all right, well, good luck with that. Look. Bye. Yes. Now, this thing here. All right. Gotta get a little more serious right around these. All right, look. Bittrex adopts Chainalysis KYT software to flag suspicious activity. So, you know that KYT is know your transaction. So, you know that under FATF, so there's a thing called the Financial Action Task Force. Under FATF rules, you have to know your transactions now. And so Chainalysis will help them do that. Now, Chainalysis is used in the New York Stock Exchange. It's used in the NASDAQ. The FBI, the CIA, the DEA uses Chainalysis. Chainalysis, it looks at financial transactions and it finds where people are doing shenanigans. You know what I mean? Like if you try to launder money, all right, well, Chainalysis will catch you. If you're trying to wash trade, Chainalysis will get you. If you're trying to do a pump and dump, well, Chainalysis on a stock or something, on a penny stock, yeah, Chainalysis will catch you. And so I want to say this. All right, let me just say this. And so what I've been thinking is, like, this is just my own thoughts, okay? This isn't a market thing, but, I mean, it's a market thing, but it's my own thoughts, is that Chainalysis is so powerful. And these guys want these ETFs and things, you know, for the ETF, they want the ETFs to be approved by the SEC, right? And so if you can tell the SEC, look, I'm going to use bang, 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 say 5 exchanges for my price discovery, but all of those exchanges use Chainalysis. In other words, the SEC complains about price discovery in terms of price manipulation. Well, if these exchanges use Chainalysis, just like you allow the NASDAQ to use Chainalysis, you allow the SEC, all right, I'm getting a little, all right. You allow the New York Stock Exchange to use Chainalysis. All right, well, let these crypto exchanges use Chainalysis. And then if I'm going to apply for an ETF, I'm only going to use Chainalysis exchanges for my price discovery. You get what I'm trying to say, right, brothers? Like, I'm only going to use, for my price discovery, I'm only going to use exchanges that are using Chainalysis. Right? So, you know, and look, you know, all of these exchanges should start just using this. But I'm talking in terms of like SEC approval, though. If we can get, I mean, but we're going to read this story. Bittrex, awesome for Bittrex to do this because it is true. Chainalysis is amazing, and it cuts out a lot of shenanigans, obviously, and so and it gets FATF compliant, so which is amazing. And so, like, what I'm trying to say is, I'm just going to say it one more time. I know, I'm repeating myself, but let me just say this one more time. If I'm applying for an ETF and the SEC wants, well, no market manipulation, I'm like, fine. I'll take my price discovery from 5 exchanges. If all 5 of these exchanges are using Chainalysis, how can the SEC fucking complain? How can you fucking complain? You allow it for the NASDAQ. You allow it for the New York Stock Exchange. I have 5. And I'm going to get my price discovery from 5 Chainalysis. And so so the next thing what I'm trying to say is that these crypto exchanges better start putting Chainalysis on their shit. Yeah, all right. That's really what I'm trying to say. And that will open up for us a lot of more investment vehicles because, well, it will open up the ETFs for sure, the ETF stuff, right? The exchange-traded fund stuff that we're waiting for the SEC about. But anything else, you'll say, I'm going to use Chainalysis-equipped exchanges for my price discovery, right? You guys get it? All right. Yeah, man. It's serious. It's serious. You know, they're FATF compliant. I'm going to use FATF compliant exchanges for my price discovery. So how can you deny it now? You know, oh my gosh. I'm getting angry. Let me take a sip, brothers. Look. But you get what I'm saying, right? And I think that's where we're going to actually get to. I mean, if you're an exchange, you want to be compliant. Not only that, but you want to attract institutional investors. I know. What is it? Binance is trying to do this institutional investor thing right now too. And so, yeah, institutions want to see stuff like this. Like I told you, big hedge funds and that, they look at Coinbase, they look at Binance, that's like a crack house. That's the ghetto of the financial markets. They're not going to bring their billions of dollars of their clients' money to that shit. But now when crypto firms, crypto exchanges start implementing and using, institutional grade analytical tools and stuff on there, now that's a change. That's a change. Now guys are going to feel, institutions are going to feel more, well, not feel, they're going to be, more protected, right? All right. You guys get it, right? All right. Look. Bittrex, the U.S. crypto exchange, has adopted blockchain compliance firm Chainalysis's real-time monitoring software for transactions to flag suspicious activity across many of its leading coins. Bittrex executive told CoinDesk. All right, so look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, DAI, Gemini, among other cryptocurrencies traded on Bittrex are covered by the new software known as Chainalysis by KYT. Know your transactions. We talked about it before. Probably just last week, right? The FATF stuff. You have to know who the money's coming from and who it's going to. Like, that's the new stuff. That's the new world we live in. All right. So Bittrex's adoption of Chainalysis KYT comes as government and regulators around the world are interesting. What do you keep saying that for? Are increasing their oversight of crypto exchanges. In June, the Financial Action Task Force, FATF, gave the exchanges of its 37-member countries 12 months to begin tracking complete customer details on every transaction handled. Bang! So FATF, if you're new here, look, FATF is this new global money monitoring, institution, right? And like I've told you here before, unlike the IMF or, World Bank or the United Nations, no, countries are actually doing what FATF says, right? So it's a big deal. So, though Bittrex was already in compliance with similar U.S. regulations, Chief Compliance and Ethics Officer John Roth said Chainalysis KYT goes further. Its built-in knowledge base of suspicious addresses, dark net sites, child exploitation sites, puts Bittrex a step ahead, he said. Having real-time information coming in from which we can make risk decisions is really an amazing step forward. And frankly, one that's not available to traditional financial institutions. That's not true. Chainalysis is in financial institutions, but they don't have to worry about child porn sites. That's the difference. So look, John Levin, Chainalysis chief security officer, said KYT automates much of Bittrex's review process. The key to supporting a large exchange like Bittrex is building features that enable them to automate their compliance process, prioritize their workflow, and customize their alerts to speed up how fast they can do due diligence. Due diligence means, yes, you go watch someone. So automation, and make an assessment, obviously. So automation helps high-volume exchanges retain compliance sustainability. The capacity to identify a handful of suspicious transactions among millions of otherwise banal crypto trades. And that's what Chainalysis does. Like, it's on the New York Stock Exchange. It's on the NASDAQ. Millions of transactions happen a day. But, the algorithm, it can tell when some sneaky stuff is going on. And it compares things and, it does all this stuff. I'm not I don't own that shit, so I don't know, but it catches people, right? And so the software flags the most likely criminal transactions, but a Bittrex-employed compliance analyst still needs to determine if the threat is valid and then file a suspicious activity report with an SAP report with regulators. And so you get it, right? So Chainalysis is going to flag stuff, but Bittrex is going to have an army of analysts deciding whether to send this on to an SAP, suspicious activity SAR, suspicious activity report, on to higher authorities. I'm assuming if you're here in America, that would be the SEC. All right, so look, Bittrex ethics chief Roth said the new software is a response to the crypto space's development and maturation as financial institutions explore, where's my brain going tonight? Explore exchange-based trades. They need to be assured that we are doing things the right way. Exactly, and that's exactly what we've been talking about here for a long, long time. But institutions aren't coming here without proper tools and proper regulation and proper certifications and stuff like that. They already make billions of dollars. If you want to convince me to come and invest in your shit right here, which it's not really convincing because they do want to come. They're not stupid. I mean, they can see, bang, they can see this is just a small market and you got billions of dollars in it. So they can see they want to get here. But the thing is, they can't because they can get sued or whatever without due diligence, without proper regulations and stuff like that. But they want to come, and that's why when I tell you, Shomari, how do you know we're going to make money? How do you know this is going to work? There's a tsunami of money coming, brothers. It just takes, proper regulation, bang, proper tools, so that these guys feel safe, bang, Chainalysis, so they feel safe bringing their money onto these exchanges and playing with this stuff, right? I know people are a little underwhelmed this week about Bakkt, right? Bakkt came online and yeesh, not yeesh, no, let me say that, but just a lot of people expected a lot more, and it's an over the time thing. The point is that it's institutional grade, and when institutions are ready to dip their toes in, well, they have now a place to onboard safely. We talked about it. It's only $175 million in insurance. So that's a bummer. That is a yeesh right there. But because that only brings smaller hedge funds and stuff like that, prop traders and that. But, it's something. What are we talking about here? Look, brothers, but look, the point being is Bittrex is up, Chainalysis, and bang. And this, like I just said, I want all these exchanges to adopt Chainalysis so that these guys can apply for ETFs and stuff with the SEC and say that I'm only using Chainalysis implemented exchanges. Only exchanges that have implemented Chainalysis. All right. It's good enough for the SEC. I mean, it's good enough for the NASDAQ. It's good enough for the New York Stock Exchange. It's good enough for the FBI, the DEA, the CIA. Should be good enough. All right. I know. I'm yapping, brothers. Look. Bang. But at least you get it, right? Bang. Look. Sometimes I yap, brothers. So you know shit. You don't sound stupid when you're talking to me. All right. Look. Swiss Bitcoin Bank. UBS Credit Suisse. Interest clearly picked up. Now. All right. So they can see. So, all right. So you know that UBS is a big bank over there in Europe. And they're saying that the interest in crypto has picked up. Yes. Yes, indeed. So look. Whoops, what happened there? Hold on. What's going on here? Hold on. There we go. All right. Peter Woofy, the former CEO of major Swiss multinational investment bank UBS, says the advent of new regulated actors in crypto is drawing the attention of big name banks. Oh, yes. That's what I'm saying, brothers. They're not going to let this shit slide. Look. They're not going to let... Hold on. They're not going to let this amount of money, and this is only nothing. This is nothing. They're not going to let this just go by. They got to get their piece, too. You know they're coming to get their piece, and that's how we're positioned ahead of them. That's what this channel is about, making you position your... buy yourself a cryptocurrency warehouse and filling it with working product, revenue-generating product. All right, not just working, but revenue-generating product, so that when these institutions get here, bang, bang, look. Oh, man, they're just buying up your shit like a motherfucker. That's the point of the channel, brothers. That's how it's going to go down. All right, so, Woofy made his remarks during an interview with Fin News, published on September 23rd. So, he says in 2008, he had left his role as the CEO of UBS as the financial crisis losses spiraled. Obviously, the financial losses spiraled because of the housing crash. Some made out good, like me. Some made out not so good. So, relinquishing over $10 million of his pay one month after the institution was bailed by the Swiss government. So, more than a decade later, the former banker and recently appointed board member of licensed Swiss cryptocurrency bank Signum observed of the banking of the crypto sector. He said, "I don't see a bubble right now. I see more serious business planning and solutions addressing client needs, having learned from the last initial coin offering and Bitcoin bubble." Hold on. Exactly. The last Bitcoin bubble, there was a retail thing. But now the big boys are learning and they're realizing, all right, this is real. Your V-chains, your stuff are actually doing stuff. That's come in, right? Legacy banks, they're not legacy, they are the banks and they will always be the banks, looking on and assessing the new crypto sector. So as reported, Signum was recently issued a conditional Swiss banking and securities dealer license and now aims to become a fully regulated bank so as to provide a full suite of financial services, including crypto custody and fiat crypto conversions. Oh, okay, this guy, all right, he's getting into it. During the interview, Muffley claimed that the company was the only licensed bank specialized in digital assets worldwide. What? Worldwide? That had fulfilled the conditions required for a banking license in just 5 days. Oh, nice. Worldwide. What? Anyways, most critical, he noted, were anti-money laundering and know your customer measures. We know that. That's the fat F stuff. When it comes to the traditional financial sector's response to the emergent crypto asset space and industry developments, he said of large banks such as UBS and Credit Suisse, so this is what he said about UBS and Credit Suisse and big banking organizations about the crypto stuff. He said, from what we hear, interest has clearly picked up since the licenses were granted. Banking executives are asking their middle management to figure out whether this is just another fintech fad that comes and goes or whether it is really transformational. Oh, it's transformational, buddy. Yes. Holy, how much more do we have? Wow. He added, they are wondering strategically whether they need to commit to this and what it would mean in terms of changes to systems, but also mindset. All right. Recent Swiss developments. All right, this should be the end right here. What? Okay, yes. All right, look. So in Switzerland, and this is what I'm bringing this up. I'm bringing up the Swiss developments part in that. Remember the other day I showed you I posted, or was that yesterday even? Remember a day or two ago, I posted in the comments, I pinned it to the comments about the congressional financial hearing here in America. And a number of those politicians, were getting on the SEC. Like, what the fuck? Let's get regulated. Let's go, right? But also, if you notice, a lot of those politicians, what did they say? We're losing innovation to London and Switzerland and France, were the three countries that they kept bringing up, right? So here's Switzerland. All right. I'm just bringing it up just so if you watch those hearings again, I gave you the timestamps. If you watch it again, just listen to the countries that they're complaining about, right? All right, whatever, man. But not whatever, but just, that's where that's what the politicians are thinking about. And that's what matters. Your politicians, not the IMF, not the World Bank, not the United Nations, the politicians in your country. Look, just last week, Arab Bank Switzerland partnered with blockchain technology firm Taurus to offer Bitcoin and Ether custody, buy, and brokerage services to its clients. Yes. In August, Switzerland's Financial Market Supervisory Authority released new guidance on regulatory requirements for blockchain-based payments targeted at cryptocurrency exchanges, wallet providers, and trading platforms. So look, that same month, Swiss private bank Merki Bowman revealed that it had experienced a deluge, we read about this, of 400 clients wanting to tap its future blockchain offerings since revealing its interest in the sector. So, bang! Look! All right, so that's the Swiss stuff, but we're talking about bang. So this guy used to be he used to work for Credit Suisse, and he started his own bank. Actually, I read about this earlier this week, but I just brought it up today. Just, like I said, I want to hear what's happening in other countries now. Like, fuck, I'm sick and tired of hearing about people applying to the SEC and the CFTC. I want to hear what's going on in other countries. And so he was the former CEO of Credit Suisse. Well, it's called Credit Suisse Multinational Investment Bank, UBS. Oh, my bad. Not what? Wait. Oh, of UBS. But his new bank sees the rise in it. All right. Let's fuck off with all that. Look, bang. Let's just get out of here. Bam. Love your brother. See your brother. Bang. Look at this guy. 121. What's this guy talking about? 121. DAO encryption. Earth plant medicine. Eye magnification. Imagination. Baseball. Art. All right, well, look. Bye. And then he gave this. Watch this. He gave this. It says the quantum. Wait. The quantum resistant ledger. All right, well, if these guys were smart, they would put what the name of that quantum resistant ledger is. But whatever. Look. Bang, buddy. All right. Hurricane Master. Brother. Love your brother. See your brother. Bye. Look. Spy lady. Love you, girl. Bye. Yes. Brandon C. Bye. All right. Got to say the name. Blink Trader. All right, brother. Welcome. Bye. Yes. What do we got? Kong. Thwai Kong. Yes. Nothing's impossible. Oh, this is the guy that... Nothing's impossible. Jump off a 20-story building and see if you can fly, brother. Bye. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bang. Airdropper. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. It's a real killer. Look. Don't let him get you in your account. He'll kill you. Look. Ratster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right. What do we got? DP Entertainment. Yes, he sent us the comic books. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. What do we got? Moonlight 420. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What's this guy? Jamal Asim. See you, brother. Bye. All right, what's Beneem talking about here? What? Options on BTC futures. Oh, we talked about that. That's right. The CME is going to offer their... Wait. Is it the CME? Yeah. That's right. All right, guys. I got a little... fuel. I've been fueling already. Look. Yes, the CME is going to offer their options. We read that the other day. Bang. All right. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Shit. Let's move on. Look. Robbie Smiler. What you talking about, homeboy? You're talking about all manner of fuckery right here. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Donations will go up great me, and then a bunch of addresses. Bye. All right. Trading assistant followed me. All right. Yes, aren't you lucky? Trading assistant. What do they say? Automated crypto trading assistant solutions to increase your trading profits. Oh, we're trading black box. Nice try, buddy. But bang, since you're following me. Crypto manager says chill. Bang. All right. And then we got, Oh, quantum resistant. All right, hold on a minute. Bang. Give him a bang and then bang. Give him a quick bang there. Oh, him. Bang. So quickie. Look. But Biniam said blockchain needs quantum. You know I love me some quantum proof. Bang. That's the fucking IOTA. IOTA's quantum proof already, homeboy. And Cardano with the Shelly upgrades about to get quantum proof. They all got to get quantum proof. Actually, a couple of the brothers, I was chatting with them they were chatting amongst each other on Twitter. And, they're like, the IBM quantum thing. Yeah, brothers, that thing is real. And that's why I always love the quantum proof. So, bang, look, got to get quantum proof. That's what I was telling you Tron lovers. You guys better get to tweeting Justin Sun and telling him, look. Because Justin Sun's doing it. Well, he's doing good stuff in that multi-signature. All right, that's institutional grade. But now you got to get quantum proof, homeboy. Yeah. You have to step up to the... Yeah. You understand? So look, guys, tweet him. Tell him. Bang. All right, let's get to the shout-outs. Let's get to this. What do we do here? We do. Let's do this part. Daily summary. Bang. Look. All right, let's summarize the day. NEO Preview 3 launches. Bang. Looks good for NEO. Looks good for everybody. Bang. All right. Bittrex Chainalysis adoption. Now, that's the shit right there. Chainalysis is used, like I said, in major exchanges around the world. If these crypto guys would, all right. Let's talk real. If these crypto exchanges would implement Chainalysis in their systems, then, now taking a step out, then if I'm an ETF guy, I can say, hey, I'm only going to use Chainalysis compliant exchanges for my price discovery. And I don't know the answer, obviously, because it hasn't happened, but I'm assuming, the SEC, come on, you can't complain about that. Like, how much, you know what I mean? You can't complain. You know what I'm saying? So, having Chainalysis on Bittrex and on other exchanges, just, first of all, for safety, institutional investors are going to, feel safer and come. And whenever people are applying for some investment vehicle and they need to prove what their price discovery is from, they can say, well, I'm taking price discovery from, Chainalysis equipped exchanges. You know what I'm saying? All right, so look, bang, that's that. And then UBS says crypto interest picked up. And so this guy, and I read about him actually earlier this week too. In Europe, they're ready. guys are ready to dip their toes in. And that's what it is. Everybody's ready. Everybody's ready, but you have to give them the investment vehicles. In other words, if I'm an options trader, well, I need options. If I'm a futures guy, I need futures. Me, Shomari for real, I'm a derivatives guy. You got to give me that. And so, you got to give me trending markets with liquidity, first of all. So it'll be a while before I show up. But you got to give these guys stuff to attack the market with. And they want to. The UBS guy said, the interest is picked up. And so, we just need regulated, licensed investment vehicles for these guys to come do what they do. Buy, murder, All right. So, all right, guys. So, and it's coming. And that's the beauty. Chainalysis is being adopted by Bittrex. Bang. And, the UBS, the interest is picked up. So the crypto is picked up. Everybody wants your crypto. Everybody wants it. We just have to wait. It's a little hurry up and wait, but it is all coming. It is all coming. So I leave you with your weekend on that note. The money's coming. Just keep accumulating and hold on tight. So bang. It's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang, my name is Shomari Clarke. I love doing this show for you. It is the favorite time of my day. So look, until tomorrow, Tuesday, thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Bang. I'm always on duty. Yes. Over and out.